As a child, my mother used to take me to Camberwell Market because I like to steal. And one of my great memories of Camberwell Market is walking through and seeing, as me, this tiny little 8-year-old future gay boy, oh, excuse me, can't keep a good man down, seeing this ragtag bunch of musos with piano accordions and violins singing songs in a corner and selling CDs for $5. I bought one, and it was Monsieur Camembert, maybe the first CD purchase I ever made. I think my second one was the Cranberries. The writing was on the wall, wasn't it? And I went home and I played this CD, and it was like I was transported to cabaret bars of Europe via Lithuania, Moscow, Paris, and then viewed through this Australian, absurdist, slightly punk lens. I'm so excited for people who love and know this band to hear them one more time, but I'm even more excited for the people who don't to discover them, like I did, 8 years old, at Camberwell Market, with my coat full of things I'd stolen.